They know I'm gonna steal. I don't got nothing in here, so. Alright, go. Alright, let's try it. Wow. These actually pretty good. Hey, this is actually pretty good. I ain't gonna lie. These shoes, pretty good. Alright, we're gonna try to get down. I can jump now. Wow, these shoes is actually pretty freaking good. The grip on these is like amazing. I didn't feel like I was gonna fall at all. That's crazy. Bro, it felt like I had like every like control of the wall when I was going down on the wall with these shoes. These shoes is amazing. Like, I don't know, it feels like it gripped the what can I say? How can I say it? It gripped the wall so good. Like, I don't know, it just felt so good to have these, bro. Like, you gotta get, like, y'all gotta get some. At first it might hurt your feet because, you know, your feet gotta get used to it because your feet been inside the what's it called again, your feet being inside shoes for long. But man, these feel so good when you like climbing up on walls and stuff. That's crazy, bro. They felt amazing. I ain't gonna lie to you. What's up, guys? It's riding today. Oh, today's Saturday. I gotta pull up back out to the warehouse today because he told me to come Saturday, but I don't know if they want to work or not, so I'm just coming up there. So just head up there, see what's up. Just riding, bro. Just cruising. I'm about to fall though. Try to look at my watch. Bro, I can't wait till I upgrade this bike. Yeah, new pedal right here too. Definitely get that. Dang, it sounds like weed. I think that car just passed. That shit stank. When you buy the bike and you gotta switch up everything on the bike because it's all stock. Tired. I don't think I got enough sleep last night. Well, I really just drove all the way over here, ride all the way over here for nothing. But it's all good. I need to get content anyway. Also too, I need to fix my brakes, bro. I'm taking this front brake off. Yeah, I'm gonna take this front brake off. I don't need it. Might take the train home though. Shoes feel so good, bro. Literally, the best shoes I ever had. I want to try to see if I can climb up on a pole though with them.